I mean, what is the strategy to get the super treasure hunt? Actually, I just wonder.
I've been collecting since I was 10 years old.
Is it?
Hidayat Squad Family, video gua jangan lupa di share, like, sama subscribe. Thank you so much. Hai.
Oh, mantep bro. Gue wawancara juga kolektor yang ada di sini bro. Mantap, kita tanya-tanya dia, oke? So you collect like multiple card then?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh bro. Apa kabar bro? Mudah-mudahan sehat-sehat semua. Waduh, sekarang kita mau dengerin wawancara gua sama kolektor diecast orang bule yang ada di Amerika sini. Gua mau coba ngulik-ngulik gimana informasinya untuk dapatin super treasure hunt dan macem-macem bro. Oke, lo harus nonton ini, oke?
For me, I'm more collecting to the vintage one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like the Ferrari. Yeah, Lamborghini, Bugatti, but it's so expensive.
Right.
So you found a super already before in here or not?
I found one here.
In
This
here?
time.
Is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Christmas time, long time ago.
All right. So how's it? You went here like really early in the morning?
No, afternoon actually.
Afternoon. Wow. They just open up the box or how's it?
It was just luck. I came in.
Yeah.
They were, they had the boxes out
Yeah.
there, and the lady was putting them on the racks.
The right time then.
The right timing, timing and luck.
What it was? This one. What car is it?
Oh, it was the Mustang, the gold Mustang.
Mustang.
It was the gold Mustang.
Wow, that Mustang. Oh, that's really cool that one.
Oke, jadi kejadiannya itu waktu gue itu hunting Hot Wheel ada di Walmart di daerah dekat rumah gue sini di Pittsburgh. Dan gue itu lihat ada kotak yang gede banget, isinya itu ada Hot Wheel yang super duper banyak bro. Dan di sana udah ada satu orang bule udah nyari-nyari gitu. Ya udahlah gue sembari nimbrung gue nanya-nanya sama dia.
I mean, I bought this super treasure hunt, but I get it from the collector as well. This flea market.
You still pay, what?
Yeah,
$30 maybe?
yeah, I pay like around $30. $30, still expensive. So.
It is for 99 cents.
I'm more focusing to this. How's it? The GDM Japanese car.
Yeah, those are good.
I mean, what is the strategy to get the super treasure hunt? Actually, I just wonder.
Come early.
Come early. I know people.
Every morning.
Yeah, I know people's coming here like they use the apps. You know the apps. They call what's that?
Brick.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And you have to pay like a premium for that one. I mean, they have like a membership as well if you want to get like a update, like a really frequent update, like a twice a week, something like that.
Right.
And then I found a lot of people. Yeah, I mean they went to Walmart and then they get super treasure hunt really quick.
Exactly.
I just wondering. I mean, is it like they know from the internet here? Or is it?
Manager, they
Yeah.
they become friends with the manager,
Is it?
and then the manager, or they have someone
Yeah.
working inside.
Wow.
They tell them, hey,
Yeah.
it's coming.
Yeah.
Be ready.
Oh man, that's not right.
Nope. That's why we're out
Yeah.
here.
Exactly.
In my work, I start
Yeah.
very early.
Yeah.
I can't be here when they first open. But
Oke, jadi ternyata ya masalahnya di Amerika itu untuk mencari super treasure hunt itu mungkin sama aja sama di Indonesia. Lu bisa sharing sama gua di Indonesia tuh gimana sih kesulitannya bro. Ternyata di Amerika gitu, ada juga cara-cara belakang untuk mendapatkannya itu gitu.
Wow,
That's
that's really cool. Wow, all Nissan. Whew.
yeah, here's another one. Here's another one.
Wow, that's
These are okay.
there's a Mercedes.
Yeah.
That's cool.
BMW.
Wow, BMW. I really want this one. So, how many cars you got at home?
I've been collecting since I was 10 years old.
Is
so
it?
Lots and lots.
Is it? So you get like a big garage then at home, eh?
Big storage, not a big garage, but storage.
How many thousand is it? Like
It's-
a more than 1,000, yeah?
I said, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't buy, everything.
Yeah.
Just I keep it
You give it.
minimum.
Yeah.
Things that I like.
I see.
then they have the same car. You know, like
Mm.
last maybe 2 months ago, they had the white one. You know, the white,
Oh.
the first edition. that
Okay.
came out. How many can you buy? You know, they have.
Yeah,
they'll
yeah.
have now it's red.
Yeah,
Next month it'll be blue.
exactly.
You know,
Yeah.
it's too much.
For me, actually, I just started like 3 months ago,
Okay.
and then like I get it like really quick right now. So I'm just thinking, oh man, I think it looks like it's too fast for me. I need to like slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
I need to slow down. Otherwise, I mean, you just bought it, and after that, you forget about it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you just need to get something that you like, actually.
Exactly.
Yeah. I tried to, how's it? I subscribe for, not subscribe, how's it? The membership of this Red Line.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The red- yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, you membership also the Red Line?
Every
yeah.
year.
Did you get it, this wheelie?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a wheelie?
I got
Oh,
the
you know
wheelie.
what? This wheelie, actually, they open in the morning at 9, and after that, if you open it up again at 3, it's gone. It's sold out. Super quick.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
How much?
Enak gitu bre, kalau lu itu satu hobi sama orang tiba-tiba tuh ngomong itu kayak klik gitu. Padahal gue tuh baru ketemu banget sama dia dan bisa lihat itu kita juga generasinya tuh udah berbeda banget gitu. Dia kayaknya udah generasi udah apa ya, udah tua kayak gitulah. Dan dia itu udah kolektor udah lebih dari 30 tahun, gue yakin tuh lebih dari 30 tahun atau 40 tahun tuh dia tuh.
So you already open up everything?
Yeah. You can go through.
So there's no super
What?
treasure hunt until yeah.
No. Yeah, like I said,
Yeah.
I wasn't holding my breath.
Yeah. So what you got here? You got a Porsche, Lamborghini, Mercedes. You got You got a
This one.
helicopter.
Yeah, the Porsche, not too crazy about that.
What is your focusing right now?
Mainly,
Yeah.
my
Camaro.
collection, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It's mostly muscle car.
Yeah.
I have a lot of Ferraris
Yeah.
ever since Hot Wheels lost the
Okay.
licensing
Yeah.
on the Ferraris.
Oh, okay.
The 164.
Oh, so you get Ferrari? So you
my old ones.
Yeah.
Old
Wow.
ones. They're
Phew.
worth a lot of money now.
I'm looking for Ferrari.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Ferrari they don't have in 164. They don't have.
Exactly.
So that's why every Lamborghini you see,
Yeah.
get maybe 2, because if they lose their licensing,
Yeah.
they're gonna worth.
When is it
be
they're gonna
worth
lose
money.
it? The licensing.
It depends on
Yeah.
what Ferrari decided to just say,
Yeah.
I'm going with someone else. now.
Exactly. Wow.
So it depends.
So far, what is the crazy stuff you get right now? I mean, the most expensive one. What you have?
In my collection,
Yeah.
it would probably be the Ferraris.
Ferrari. That one is the how's it? The Super?
Yeah.
Is
I
it?
have a couple supers.
The Enzo?
Y-
Enzo Super, is it?
I think so. There's 2 of them.
Hmm.
I think it's I want to say the F55.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. You know what? I mean, I'm from Indonesia, right? I mean, I've been like checking like a price in Indonesia, the
Right.
Super for the Ferrari, and then it's crazy over there. I mean, so people sell it the Enzo actually in Indonesia they sell it like a $1,000
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Phew, crazy, $1,000.
It's great.
Yeah.
That's why you go to shows.
You looking for this
Oh, this
Legend
one.
show? This Legend show is gonna be on the San Jose this September.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna be there.
Yeah.
We're gonna San Jose here. Yeah, don't miss it. Don't
Huh?
miss it. It's a lot of stuff over there.
Yeah.
Especially for this house, the Datsun wagon, the green one. Oh, that one is so expensive one right now. I mean, you get $20 there, and then you sell it on eBay, let's say like that, and then you get like 150, 120, and yeah.
If you find this one for the Super Treasure Hunt,
Yeah.
you can sell it for about $65 to $70.
65.
That's how much it's going for.
Yeah.
I didn't find the Super on this one.
Yeah. Wow.
I
That's
went
cool.
to this one,
Yeah.
the Antioch one, and then the
Yeah.
Martinez one.
Yeah.
I even drove out to Tracy.
In the Tracy too.
Tracy, there's long,
That's like a
it's
long
big
drive.
one.
Yeah. Oh, is it like in Walmart as well?
Yeah,
Over
it's a
there?
super Walmart.
There's
Big
a super Walmart. Yeah.
Big one. It's a lot of toys, toy aisle.
Yeah.
They didn't-
I've been to this. How's it? Vallejo
Vallejo
Super
one, yeah.
Walmart. Yeah.
That's a good one too.
There's a lot of too.
That's a good one. But
yeah.
you know, like I said, if you can be here in the morning time.
In the morning
They
time.
open at
Yeah. What is the best
7.
day? I mean, the morning.
What's today? Friday. See, I was here Wednesday.
Yeah.
They didn't have this out.
Yeah.
Because it's her fault. See, look. She knows.
No, we're talking about this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're just coming today, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Just coming today.
Yesterday.
So someone is already here actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
This morning.
Yeah, exactly.
Told you.
Gila bro ya, asik juga kalau ketemu sama orang yang koleksinya tuh udah bejibun banget kayak gitu. Dan gue itu pengen banget gitu kalau misalnya hunting-hunting lagi ketemu sama kolektor-kolektor lain, terus kita kayak sharing informasi, dia ngasih tahu gue yang mana yang harus gue ambil, yang jangan gue ambil gitu. Jadi aduh seru bu. Jadi kalau lu ada kayak kumpul-kumpul diecast, kumpul-kumpul pencinta Hot Wheels, lu ikutin aja bro ya, karena benefitnya mantap juga. Thank you so much semuanya udah nonton, dan jangan lupa subscribe di video gua. Happy hunting semuanya, dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.